Most times it can be difficult to achieve a perfect stitch while weaving an outfit on the overlock machine. In today's video, I'll be teaching you how to fix this problem on your weaving machine. So this is me weaving an outfit, and after weaving you can see that the stitches are loose. This doesn't look presentable at all on an outfit. So how are we going to fix this? The major problem can be from your blade. So you're going to open up your overlock machine just like I'm doing right here on this video. After opening it, you push this other part down and it's going to open up. The next thing you're going to look for is this screw right here. You're going to lose it using your screwdriver. You can see that the blade is below. So what you are going to do is to push it up in order for it to be equal with the teeth of the weaving machine. So this is me pushing it up, and after pushing, we are going to screw it back. Once you are done with this part, you go up just like this. You open this part up. You can also see the blade right here is above, so you are going to push it down too. But before you push it down, you are going to unscrew it. Take your screwdriver and unscrew this part. Then you push it down in order for everything to be equal. After pushing it down, you tighten it back again, and then you couple your machine. Right now I'm done fixing the blade, and now I'm coupling the machine back, closing up every place that I open. Then it's time to weave. While weaving, you can see that the blade is cutting out the excess, and this is the final look after fixing the blade. You can see how neat it looks compared to the previous one that was having a loose stitch.